In this market, buyers are constantly competing for their dream home. How can you make your offer stand out above the rest? I have 3 tips to help you do just that. Hi, I'm Shelley Stone with eXp Realty, and we have helped hundreds of buyers get their dream home. So I know how scary and exciting it can be. It is my job to help you get your dream home. So here are a few tips to help you stand out from the crowd. Number 1, make sure you've offered a competitive price on the home. In this market, there could potentially be multiple offers for the home you're wanting. Don't hold out too much, or you may find yourself losing out on that home. Number 2, put down a larger earnest money deposit. It shows that you are serious and also tells the seller that you are more likely qualified for the purchase. Be sure to follow your agent's advice and pay attention to all contractual deadlines. Otherwise, you could stand to lose that deposit. Number 3, if you're putting down a larger down payment and your lender has fully approved you, consider removing that appraisal contingency when placing an over-list offer price so that your offer looks stronger. Always discuss these options at length with your agent. And finally, let the seller know that you have not written any other offers on any other properties. You've verified the taxes and taken them into consideration in regards to your payment. Let them know that you are going to be as reasonable as possible in regards to repairs and requests during the option period. Also, make sure your agent is in contact with the listing agent consistently, helping make you as the buyer stand out in the eyes of the agent. Believe it or not, sometimes that can be what seals the deal. There are so many more tips that I can show you. Give me a call and let me assist you in getting your dream home. I'm Shelley Stone, and I invite you to experience the difference.